Hello my YouTube fam, Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. I welcome you all to yet another interesting video on Onam, which is the harvest festival of Keralites. So here's wishing all the Keralites around the world a very happy Onam. Onam Asham Sagal. Onam marks King Mahabali's visit to his people. This 10-day festival is a joyous time for all the Malayalis who welcome their king on this day. Onam is also known as a harvest festival. What is Onam? The word Onam is originated from the Sanskrit word Shravanam, which refers to one of the 27 nakshatras or constellations. In the South India, Thiru is used for anything associated with the Lord Vishnu, and it is believed that Thiruvanam is the nakshatra of Lord Vishnu who pressed the King Mahabali to the underworld with his foot. Wow, that's interesting, guys, right? Let me tell you the story behind this. Here we go. Mahabali was a demon, but he was known for being generous and kind-hearted. Gods were very insecure about the popularity of the demon king. My. This story is a topsy-turvy. A demon being good and gods getting J. Let's see what happens further. So they asked help from Lord Vishnu, as Mahabali worshipped Lord Vishnu. So Vishnu told gods that he would aid them but will not involve in a battle with Mahabali. Lord Vishnu transformed into a poor dwarf Brahmin called Vamana and went to Mahabali's kingdom. Mahabali was performing a yagna when a short young radiant boy entered the yagna shala. Mahabali was the custom, welcomed his radiant youngster and asked him what he wanted. The young boy requested for that much space as could be measured by 3 footsteps of his. Mahabali agreed at once, but his guru Shukracharya cautioned him that the guest was none other than Lord Vishnu himself. As soon as the 3 footsteps were granted, the young Vamana assumed a gigantic form and with the first step of his foot measured the whole earth. Then with the second step of his foot he measured the whole sky. Vamana then asked the king as to where he should place his third step. King Mahabali joyfully offered his head for the third step in utter devotion and surrender. The Lord, recognizing his attitude of surrender, blessed man sent him to Patala with a promise that he can return to his kingdom from Patala once every year to be in the midst of his people. This day is celebrated as the Onam festival. Onam festival celebrations. People make the carpet of flowers, which is known as Pookalam, and lay in front of their house to welcome King Mahabali. It's a 10-day celebration. Onam festival 10 days are known as Attam, Chitira, Chodi, Vashakam, Aniyam, Triketa, Molam, Poredam, Uttradam, Tiruvonam. Onam Sadhya. At the main day, that is Tiruvonam, Onam Sadhya, meal is prepared and served on a banana leaf. It's a 9-course meal that consists of at least 4 to 5 vegetables. Most of the families cook 9 to 13 dishes for the Onam Sadhya. Vellam Kali boat race. It is also known as the snake boat race. In a boat riding competition, around 100 boatmen compete with each other. This is the most famous among people over there. In various patterns, the boats are decorated beautifully. Even several people visit the city to witness this race. Kali means play of the tigers. On the fourth day, Nalam Onam of the Onam festival, performers paint themselves like hunters and tigers with yellow, black, and red paint and dance with the sound of thrilling music.